Hello Prep 1. Today, our lesson of today, multiplying and dividing rational number. The last lesson we studied how we can addition and subtraction the rational numbers. The multiplying a rational number when multiplying fractions, they don't need to have a common denominator. To multiply two or more fractions, multiply cross numerator by numerators and denominator by denominator. If the answer can be simplified, then simplify it. Example, 2 over 5 times 9 over 2 equal 2 times 9, 5 times 2 equal 18 over 10. Okay? Simplifying the diagonal. When multiplying fractions, we can simplify the fractions and also simplify diagonally. This isn't necessary, okay? But it can make the numbers smaller and keep you from simplifying at the end. From the last slide, 2 over 5 times 9 over 2 equal 2 times numerator over denominator times denominator. 18 over 2. By simplifying, this 2 number can divisible by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 equal 9 over 5. Okay. An alternative. Now, look at these two fractions. We have 2 and 2. Then, if we divide the whole number, cross number, divide by 2 equal 1 and equal 1. Then 1 times 9 equal 9. 5 times 1 equal 5. The same answer. You don't have to simplify diagonal. It's just an option. Just an option. If you are more comfortable, multiply across and simplify at the end. Okay, as you like. Now, what is the sign rules for multiplication? Remember, when multiplying assigned numbers, remember, positive times positive equal positive, fine. Negative times negative equal positive, fine. Positive times negative equal negative. Then, if we multiply 3 times 9 as 3 over 8 times negative 2 over 5 equal 3 times 2 equal 6. 8 times 5 equal 40. Positive times negative equal negative 6 over 40. By divisible, numerator and denominator divide by 2, then 6 divide 2 equals 3, 40 divide 2 equal 20. And don't forget the negative sign. Don't forget the negative sign. Okay? Another example, negative 3 over 10 times negative 1 over 6. Negative times negative equal positive. Negative times negative equal positive. 3 times 1 equals 3. 10 times 6 equals 60. Equal, negative times negative positive. We don't write the positive as you like. 3 over 60. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 60 divided by 3 equal 20. Equal 1 over 20. Okay. The second part for this lesson is talking about the dividing a rational number. This lesson consists from 3 parts. The last part, multiplying. The second part, dividing. The last part, property of multiplication and division. Now, when dividing fractions, they don't need to have a common denominator. Okay. To divide two fractions, change the operations to multiply and take the reciprocal of the second of the second fractions. Flip يعني بنعمل flip the second fractions. We studied this lessons as a primary 5. Okay, keep change, keep change. Like this examples. 2 over 5 divide 9 over 2. Okay, keep 2 over 5 change divide into time flip أو change ال 9 over 2 equal 2 over 9. Let me, change me, exchange me. Then the dividing operation change into multiplication operation or multiply or divide, we change into multiply by these steps. Keep, change, change. Okay, the first fraction, the constant, we change it, divide into multiply, and exchange the second fractions equal 2 over 9. Then change operation, divide the change into multiply, and flip the second fraction. Dividing. Finish the problem by following the rules for multiplying fractions. 2 over 5 divide 9 over 2 equal 2 over 5 times 2 over 9. We say before, if we have two fractions, different denominator or different denominator, we multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 2 times 2 equal 4, 5 times 9 equal 45. Try this. Divide the following fractions. Mixed and mixed numbers. Okay, before start the answer should be remember how we can change a mixed number into improper fractions. Denominator time whole number plus numerator, يعني 3 times 2 plus 1 يبقى should be change mixed into improper fraction before start answer. Okay, for these fractions should be change into improper fractions. 3 times 2 equal 6 plus 1 7 over 3. Divide 3 times 3 9 plus 2 11 over 3. Then 7 over 3 divide 11 over 3. Another mixed number, change into improper fraction before start answer. 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 2 equal 5. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 5 over 3. Okay? Now I will give you just 2 minutes to try answer this questions. After you finish, we will answer together. Okay? That's enough. Okay. The first questions. 6 over 5 divide negative 1 over 2. The steps of division of fractions. 6 over 5 change it, divide into time, flip the second fractions. Time negative 2 over 1 equal negative 12 over 5. Okay. The second questions, negative 3 over 2 divide negative 1 over 2. Let me negative 3 over 2 change me time exchange me negative 2 over 1 equal negative 3 times 2 6, 2 times 1 equal 2. Then 6 over 2 simplify these fractions. Divide 2 equals 3 over 1 equals 3. We can simplify this fractions by divide the cross number. Divide by 2 equals 3 over 1 equals 3. Okay, as you like. The third questions, improper fraction, change into the mixed number, change into improper fraction. 3 times 2 6 plus 1 7 over 3. Divide 3 times 3 9 plus 2 equal 11 over 3. This is our questions. Okay, this is our questions. Type. Now let me 7 over 3 change me exchange me 11 over 3. Now we can multiply both number, numerator times numerator equal 21, denominator times denominator 33. Both number can divisible by 3 equal 7 over 11. We can simplify 3 go together with 3 equal 7 over 11, the same answer. The last question, Number 4, negative 7 over 3 divide 1 and 2 over 3. Change the improper fraction into mixed number into improper fraction. Negative 7 over 3 divide 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 over 3. Okay? Negative 7 over 3 times 3 over 5. We can use two methods to simplify these fractions. The first method, 7 times 3 equal 21, 3 times 5 equal 15. 21 over 15 we can simplify by divide by 3 equal 7, negative 7 over 5. Or 3 go together with 3 equal negative 7 over 5. Okay. Properties of multiplication operation. Number 1, commutative property, associative property, identity property of 1, multiplicative inverse, distribution. Okay, distribution. Now, commutative property of addition and multiplication. Commutative موجودة في addition operation and multiplication operation. Order doesn't matter. يعني order for commutative في multiplication operation order of commutative property doesn't matter. يعني A times B equal B times A, the same. Associative property of multiplication and additions. Associative, you can use associative property in multiplication operation and addition operation. Okay, now associative property. A times B times C equal A times B times C. But we write the bracket between different places. For example, 6 times 4 times 3. يعني we start find the product between brackets. Two number between brackets. 6 times 4 equal 24 times 3 equal 6 times 4 times 3 equal 12. 12 times 6. The same answer, يعني on right side and the left side. Identity properties. If you multiply any number times 1, the number stays the same. For example, A times 1 equal A, or 5 times 1 equal 5. Multiplicative inverse property. What is the meaning of multiplicative inverse? For each real number A, there exists an unique real number. So, for example, such that their product is 1. How? 1 over A. We want the products between two number fraction and number equal 1. يعني for example, one over A times A equal 1. 1 over 5 times 5 equal 1. Okay, distributive property. Multiplication distribution over addition. Okay, multiplication تكون distribution over addition. Let's go to show this example. This is very important property, and this is the last property for multiplication multiplication operations. Distribute over additions. How? يعني A times B plus C equal A B plus AC. How? Multiply A times B plus A times C. This meaning distributive property. A times B plus A times C. We studied before. Okay? Equal A times B equal AB plus A times C equal AC. Fine. For example, 3 times bracket 2 plus 5. 3 times 2, okay, plus 3 times 5. Distributive property. 3 times 2, 6. Plus 3 times 5, 15. Then 6 plus 15 equal 21. This is the end, the last example for this lesson. I hope everyone can understand this lesson. Thank you for good listening.